Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech VBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to create a Gmail account or a Google email account in 3 minutes. So the first thing is to open a browser on your device, be it a laptop, your PC, a tablet or your phone, and then type gmail.com in the address bar, press enter. And then on the next page, you want to click the create accounts. You can create for personal use for your child or for your business. Click for personal use and then enter your first name, your last name. You can leave the last name box empty because it's optional. And then click next. Specify your date of birth, the month, the day, the year, and then specify the gender and then click next from there. You can even select rather not say if you don't want to specify your gender. Enter the email address you want to use or the email account you want to use and then click next. Over here, when you click next and the email address has been taken by somebody else, Google will prompt you that it's already been taken, so you need to specify a different email account. So type a strong password. Make sure that the password is very strong. So in my case, you can see that this password has a capital T in there, it has numbers, it has a special character, it even has a dot in there. So click next when you have your password typed in. Specify your phone number for your account, and then Google will send you a verification code. Enter that code in the box, click next. If you have a recovery email address, type it in there. If you don't have it, leave the box empty and then click the skip button. But in my case, I have it, so I will type it and then click the next button to continue. So that is the email address, the name of the user, the email address attached to that name. Click next, and then read through the Google privacy and terms. When you are done, click the I agree option. From there, you will be taken straight into your inbox of the newly created Gmail account or the Google email account. So that is your inbox. You have your sent items, you have your spam folder, and from there you can click the account profile icon and then select add account to add additional account, or you can sign out. And then the last thing I want to show you is when you create a free Google account or Gmail account, Google gives you 15 gig free cloud storage for your use. So kindly subscribe, like, and share the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye.